Even your microwave runs Java. Did you know that? Stupid fact. Hey dudes, John here. Welcome back to another how-to video. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to install something that a lot of you dudes and dudettes out there have actually been asking me in other videos. How do you install Java? Now, mostly it's pretty straightforward, but I'm going to still show you guys all the steps. And this is what I mean by why you would even need Java. Like for instance, right here, have you ever run across this scenario here? Well, I'm downloading a version of Forge. I'm downloading Forge for 1.8.9 for Minecraft right now, right? And I want to go ahead and run it. I can run it simply by clicking this right here. And it gives me this warning message right here. You see that? It says this application requires Java Runtime Environment 1.6.0 to run. The only reason why it's giving me that is because I uninstalled Java just so I can show you guys how this works. And if I say okay, it's going to automatically take me to java.com and show me the download folder. Now, if it doesn't take you to here, this is where the only website you want to download Java from. Do not download it from download.com. Do not download it from ZNet. Do not download it from literally any other site other than java.com. You see this link right here? Yeah, that's it. Java.com. Even if you just go to, like, watch this. If I remove the English, the en/download, and just go to java.com, it still takes me to this link, and I just see this big red download Java or free Java download right in the center of the screen. I'm going to go ahead and click that. It's going to take me to this agree and start free download section here. And running right now, we're running version 8.141. If it asks you to download a legacy version of Java, that's an entirely different thing. And that'll be another video for another time. If you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comment section below. But for now, this is what we're going to click on is agree, start free download. And it's going to simply just download this. Now this is downloading in a .exe because it's downloading for Windows. If it's going to download for Mac, it'll be a .dmg file and it'll run exactly the same. All right, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to click this. I'm using Chrome, so my downloads automatically pop up down here on the bottom left. If you are not using Chrome, you're using Internet Explorer, you can simply open up your Finder or your Explorer window right here, and you can go to your downloads folder, and that's where all your downloads should be. If you didn't change that, that's where they are. So right here, I got setup, Java setup 8U141, which is the same thing as it is right over here. I can go ahead and double click that from right here, and it's gonna take me through an install. It's gonna ask me, would you like this to make changes to my device? I'm gonna say yes. If it doesn't ask you that, you just have the permissions set differently on yours. Now it's going to go through this area, this kind of a welcome message and install. It's really straightforward. Let's go ahead and minimize these other windows. So all we see is the install for Java. Java provides blah, blah, blah. We're going to say, go ahead and install. If you want to change the destination of the folder, that's up to you. I'm going to leave it to its default destination. Now it's going to do its thing. And again, it should be pretty quick. Okay. So now this is another question that Java will ask you is if you want to use Yahoo as your homepage. Well, I don't want Yahoo as my homepage, so I'm going to say, do not update my browser settings, this bottom one. This is recommended up here by Yahoo. I don't know if Java is owned by Yahoo. I don't recall or not, or Yahoo is owned by Java. Regardless, I don't use Yahoo. If you use Yahoo, then you can go ahead and leave that there. I'm going to say, do not update my browser settings, and I'm going to go to next. But remember to do that. If you don't do that, it's going to switch your main search engine instead of being Google or whatever it is for Internet Explorer, Bing. I don't even think it's Bing anymore. It's something else, right? I forget. It doesn't matter. It'll change it from that to Yahoo. So I'm going to leave it to this setting here. I'm going to say next, and it's going to go through its little process here. Got a little ad for itself down here. 3 billion plus devices run Java, and that is very, very true. Even your microwave runs Java. Did you know that? Stupid fact. Nonetheless, even this camera right here that we're recording on runs Java. That's right. Depending on the speed of your computer, it'll either be fast or it'll be a little bit slow. That's just entirely on your computer. Okay, you have successfully installed Java. I'm going to say close. And it's going to take me to the java.com page again. And I can click on, you can verify your Java version just by clicking verify. And it's going to run this little script right here. And congratulations, you have the recommended Java installation, blah, blah, blah. Okay, perfect. We're all done with that. So now I can go through the effort of installing Forge 1.8.9. Now it runs beautifully. Okay, just like with Minecraft. If I were to try to run Minecraft, 9 times out of 10, it won't run either. only because Minecraft is Java based as well. So now if I run Minecraft, it should launch the launcher with no issues, and I should be able to jump into 1.8.9. That's a non-forged version, and it should be able to run it and start Mojang, start Minecraft with no problem. All working. Beautiful. That's basically it, dudes and dudettes. There's not a whole lot to it. It's pretty straightforward, but nonetheless, you guys asked, so I went ahead and answered. If you guys have any other questions you may have, let me know in the comment section below. Maybe it'll be a video, maybe it won't. Regardless, I appreciate every single comment you guys leave. And if you guys did like this video, if you like videos like this, if you guys give me a big fat thumbs up down below. I know it's a sellout moment. Nonetheless, I have to ask, and it makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. If you guys are at all new to this channel, if you guys can click that subscribe button, it helps the channel out a great deal. And while you're at it, if you click the little bell, it turns on notifications, lets you dudes and dudettes know when we upload our daily videos. And until next time, guys, see ya.